Hey, Victor. Can you tell us
Hi,
who you are and who Serneke is?
I am Victor Hjelmgren, a construction supervisor working with concrete at Serneke. Serneke is a pretty fast-growing company within construction and real estate. I specifically work with this skyscraper in Gothenburg, Sweden, called Karlatornet. We are about 9 floors up above the ground. With the slabs, and the core is even higher. The face is pretty high, as always. It's going to be 74 floors, and that's going to make this house the tallest in Scandinavia because we have pretty short cycles for each floor. We need to keep a close look on the monitoring all the time, so that we know when we can strike columns, for instance, or when we can stress the slab. A lot in the time plan is based on moving forward quickly with the concrete curing. Typically, we just plug them in and put them in a certain place and start the monitoring and tell the guys not to unplug anything. So it's pretty straightforward. In the everyday work, the Sensahive stuff tells us that we have certain strength. We trust that, and then we just move on. And obviously, when it's really cold, we also have to look at the temperature very closely to make sure that behaves in a good way, so we don't risk of having the concrete freeze. I would tell them that we're happy about the product. I like that simplicity. Just plug the cable in and put it in the concrete, and then you're good to go. You can also do that right before you cast, or even after you started casting, and you can start the measurement itself or the tracking of the temperature later when you have time. That's a handy thing. Generally, it works well, and we're happy about it. So I can recommend it.
Cool. Victor, I
All
think
right.
that was the questions. Thanks so much for joining the call, taking your time.
Jajamän.